Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project is installing floor mats in this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Now the floor mats that I'm using are from Lasfit. Why? Because they are perfect fit. They are custom to your car and will fit every time. They are pet friendly, easy cleaning, slip resistant, durable even in extreme heat and cold weather, and are eco-friendly. So let's get started and get the box open and see what's inside. Okay, now that I got the floor mats laid out, that way they can relax and take their shape when they're shipped. Sometimes they can be a little bent or something like that, but it does not take long at all for them to relax and go to their original form. If you look on the back of them, there'll be little nubs, or spikes if you will call them. They grab the carpet, that way your mats don't slide around. All right, for a closer look, as you can see, it has these grooves. So whatever's falling off your feet, water, snow, mud, dirt, and whatever else you may carry into your car will sit into the grooves and not blow around and not go over the side onto your carpet. And as you can see, they have a nice lip. So if you get quite a bit of water in there, it's not gonna get on your carpet. It will stay on the mat. Now a closer look at the back side, when I was talking about the little nubs, these right here will grip the carpet in your vehicle. They keep them from sliding around. Also, you see these holes here. There's little tabs on your floor in your vehicle that will lock into those, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. That there is the passenger side with the Lasfit logo also on it. And this here is the back. Okay, now on the driver's side of my truck, as you can see, I've already taken the carpet floor mat that was already here out because it was pretty disgusting. But as you can see right here, I've been collecting dirt and debris and all that. And the same way with up in here. Now with the new floor mats from Lasfit, it's a custom fit. It will fit over all this here, up along the side and all that. And then none of that stuff will be getting on the carpet like it is now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the new Lasfit floor mats. Also, when I was talking about the tabs, those holes, that's what's right here. Okay, for the driver's side, just slides right in. Put it over your tabs here. Turn and lock them in. And this side's all set. Now we're gonna move on to the passenger side. Okay, same thing on the passenger side. Take your floor mat, slide it up in, line it up with your tabs on the floor, turn your tabs, lock them into place. Now we're going to go ahead and move to the back seat. The first thing I'm going to do is slide both my seats forward. Okay, for the back seat, this one is longer, so it takes a little bit more, but not bad. You're going to put your fronts down underneath your seats. That's why I had you slide your seats up. Down over like this. Press it down in different places. And now it is installed. Okay, now that they're installed, we're going to take a closer look. Fit nice and perfect. I like the ledge here. Nothing's going to get up in the carpet. No water, nothing like that. Dirt, mud. This still sticks up a little bit right here, but that's nothing to worry about. That will lay flat. That's just from shipping. Give it about a day and that'll be gone. All right, taking a look at the front, you can see how they're perfectly fit. up underneath, all the way around. Nothing's gonna get to the carpet now. Okay, now I'm gonna get this a little bit dirty. We're gonna see how well it works. You got some kids? Let's throw some milk on here. Got somebody getting in your car with dirty feet? How about some sand? Get that in there. Yeah, look at that. Made some mud. Now what we're gonna do, unlock my tabs, pull this up, and just pull it out just like this. You can see, nice and clean and dry. Now let's go ahead and get this mat cleaned up. Now cleaning is just as easy as spraying with the garden hose. All right, after I got it cleaned off and it's dried off, it looks new again. So super easy to clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this back in here. And just that quick. All right guys, that's all there's to it. As you can see, they're very, very easy to install and they're high quality. They're a perfect fit every time. They're pet friendly, easy cleaning, slip resistant, durable in extreme hot weather and cold weather, and they're eco-friendly. I'm going to leave a link in the description to where you can find these floor mats. Also, if you end up getting them or have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.